Hello everyone. So like in the last video we used the mnemonic printf and see how printf can be used to get an output on the screen. So in this video, instead of putting the values of the variables ourselves, we're going to take inputs from the users. So we're going to learn a new mnemonic which is called scanf. The scanf is stands for scan function and is used to take inputs from the users. So let's see how this works. So I'm gonna first initialize a variable. So in this case, which is int a is our variable, and instead of giving a value now, I'm gonna take the value from the users. So I'll write scan f with two brackets, opening and closing brackets, and I'll have double inverted commas. Now in this case, first I have to define the data type of the variable. So we use percentage %d like we had also used in printf, and percentage d is used for integers and percentage f is used for float. So we use percentage %d, we add a comma, and the variable you want to scan, which is a. Now the catch in this is you have to add a and sign, which is shift 7 in my case. So we have to add and 7 because that's part of the code. So we write scanf double inverted commas percentage %d comma and the variable. So that's it. So now the computer will ask me to enter the value of a. So let me just print it, build and run. So as you can see, this is blank right now because we have to put a number to it. So let's say I put 9 and I'll press enter. So the value of a right now is 9. But obviously it's not doing anything, it's just putting the value 9 inside the variable a. So if you want to print anything, we'll just print the number 9 again, or the value of a again. So print f. Now because we're using a variable, instead of writing a in the double inverted commas, we'll use percentage %d comma the variable we are using, which is a, with a semicolon. So now if I run it, first they'll ask me to put the value of a, which let's say it's 60. So now you can see the 60 is printed twice because I've printed 60 or the value of a. So first we put the value of a and then it is printed. So to make it more user friendly, we can also write printf double inverted commas enter the value of a. So now the people will know that they have to enter the value of a. So if I run it now, so it's written enter the value of a. And now if I write, let's say, any number 77, now it will print 77. It's just user friendly, but obviously the users don't want the number they have entered to print back because they know the number they have printed. So to make it a little more complex, let's say add 10 to the number they've entered. So I'll have to have another variable which is b, and then I'll write b is equal to whatever variable or whatever number is there in a plus 10. So now it will add 10 to the value of a and that will equal to b. So now it will print b. So now if I enter the value of a as 90, it will print 100 because 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. So we can use the value of a in multiple ways. So right now I've just added 10 to the number. You can also divide it by 10. So I've written b is equal to a divided by 10. So now I'll enter the value of a as, let's say, 90. So 90 divided by 10 is 9, and this shows 9 now. So you can have multiple operations within this equation. So even I can even multiply or subtract or do anything with that. So that's how the function works. So now in the next video we're going to make complex codes and see how we can make it more user friendly. Thank you very much.